Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a quick what's in my diaper bag. This is the bag. This is a Steve Madden bag. I actually got this Steve Madden bag from Ross. I think it was like $4.30 or $4.50. This is my first affordable luxury bag, I would say, that I purchased myself. I would normally get Steve Madden bag, Coach bags, Michael Kors bags from my mom. My mom is a whole purseaholic, but that I bought myself with my own coins. So this is how it looks. It has a front pocket right here. It has 2 zips, and then it has 2 straps, and also a long crossbody, which I love. I love the fact that it has shoulder and crossbody straps. So I'm gonna start off with the front flap. I have a mask. This is Makai's mask right here. I have this envelope that I need to drop off. I also need to go check my P.O. box. Probably gonna try and do that tomorrow. I have my earphones. These are the earphones that I actually take to the gym. I have my keys. I like to keep my earphone and my keys together because when I'm leaving for the gym, I like them to be close by each other so I don't forget, because I will forget my earphones and then be mad. I have a small bottle of hand sanitizer. I have my sunnies. These are my favorite sunnies. These are actually really good. I have my purse, which needs to be cleaned out. I have a whole bunch of receipts that I need to screenshot. So if you're anything like me, I like to screenshot all my receipts and I use Fetch Rewards, and then after a while I get gift certificates. I cash them out in gift certificates. I have my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Fenty Glow. This is my old Planet Fitness, no, not Planet Fitness, Anytime Fitness, a gym thing. No longer go to this gym. I need to throw that away. I have 2 receipts. Need to go in the trash also. I have an extra pacifier from Milani. And I have this. This is her puzzle piece that I need to put back. This is a 128 gigabyte SD card. I have some videos and stuff on here, and I never get rid of this because it's broken, but I know like the stuff that's on there can be retrieved, so I'm not getting rid of it just yet. So I'm gonna go in the first zip at the front, see what's in there. Let me show you guys how big and deep. So this is how big it is. I have a divider in here. I normally keep, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like this. I normally keep my kids' juice in here and snacks and stuff, and I like to use this divider because it's made of like a cloth material, so it keeps their juice and stuff cold while I take them to the park. So I have a mask. This is actually my mask. Empty Ziploc bag. This had popcorn. That was their snack. I have a pen. Have another mask. I have some socks. That's Milani's socks. Rubber hair tie for Milani. Half-eaten snack bar for Milani. I have a Reese's Buttercup. I'm gonna throw that away because that's been in here forever. Another pacifier. Can't go anywhere without Milani's pacifiers. This is a baby food. I'm sure this is old. This is actually separating. I need to take this out. So that is the first zipper. I'm gonna open the second zipper. And this bag is amazing. Like, you could use this for an overnight bag. I use this for a travel bag also. This bag has gone to more places than a lot of people. So I got my taser. Taser is in here. And that's my taser. I normally keep this in the front pocket of my bag. I don't know why it's in this last one, but whatever. Got a whole bunch of diaper. Diaper. More diaper. Wipes. And then I have clothes in here, so it's empty. Let me stick this stuff back in here. Let me see whose clothes I got. So I have a shorts for Kai, shirt for Kai, and another shirt. I have a headband from Milani. And that's all. And that's basically all that's in my diaper bag. I'm glad that came in here because there's a whole bunch of trash that needs to be reorganized and taken out of my damn bag. So yeah, that's going to be it for my what's in my diaper bag video. I have a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old, so this is the stuff that I keep in my diaper bag for them, and their juice and stuff normally stay in that compartment that I show you guys. So yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.